Oh yeah, smoke ring effect, baby. Look at that. Look at those juices. This is the after shot that I'm looking for, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue.
You ready? Let's go.
And today we're going to be reviving an old video of mine that has been asked in the comment section to do it on a different pellet grill. So we're doing tri-tip brisket style with two simple ingredients: Montreal steak seasoning, and we're going to inject it with some beef consomme to keep it nice and moist and juicy throughout the entire cook. And we're going to do it on the Pitboss Pro Series 850. So come on, let's do that right now. So there she is, guys. We got a beautiful tri-tip right here, Angus style, USDA choice, and it's costing me $19.37 because it's $7.42 a pound. Man, this is about 2.61 pounds of a tri-tip. So it's going to be beautifully smoked, and we're going to inject it with a little bit of beef consomme right here to keep it moist, and we're going to season it with Montreal steak seasoning. Man, that's going to be some goodies, guys. I'm not going to bore you how to trim this bad boy up because I'll link up here on my previous video that we are reviving for a new pellet smoker. And man, this is going to be, again, some goodies. So just stay tuned. Power on, lid open, rolling smoke, close lid. Crank temperatures 300 degrees. Set it to target temperature at 300 degrees. So we've been running about 300 degrees for the last 20 minutes, and take a look at that smoke that's coming out of the chimney. Oh yeah, bam. And this is our tri-tip choice Angus style USDA tri-tip that's been injected with some beef consomme and seasoned with a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. It's time for this beauty to go in here. Spritz apple cider vinegar every half an hour. Take a look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Secret to a beautiful smoke ring: spritz it with some apple cider vinegar. Close lid. Spritz every half an hour again. It's been 2.5 hours, guys. Let's take a look at a beautiful tri-tip brisket style. Take a look at that color, guys. Oh yeah. Oh man. So it's time for us to check what's the internal temperature on this beauty right here. And let's take a gander. We're just gonna go right down the middle. Looking about 140. Yeah, about 140. Climbing a little bit, about 140 or so. So we're not there yet, guys. So we're gonna let this continue to rock and roll, and we'll see you back in a little bit. So it's been exactly 4 hours. Let's take a look at our beautiful tri-tip brisket style. Oh yeah, look at that color, guys. Oh man, she is looking beautiful. So let's take a look at our internal temperature. I'm looking for about 160, 165. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah. About 160, good. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this up with a little bit of beef broth, and then we're gonna let that go up to the internal temperature about 200, 205. And then I'm gonna pull it off at that point, guys. Alright guys, it's been exactly 45 minutes. Let's take a look at our tri-tip brisket style. Be careful when you open the pouch because of that steam that just came off, guys. It's very, very crucial. And again, I'm looking for an internal temperature about 200, 205, perhaps a little bit more. Let's use our trusty thermometer. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. 209. Oh man, look, just like butter, guys. Look at that, no resistance. This is what I'm talking about, guys. So I'm gonna wrap this back up and let it rest for about good half an hour, and then we're gonna slice into it because that's gonna be the best part of the entire video. So let's take a look. Oh yeah. Take a look at that, guys. Wow. And transfer it from, don't throw this juice away, guys. This a Jew right here. Man, this is liquid gold. Do not throw this away. Let's save this up, guys. Put this right here. Take a look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's slice right down the middle. Oh yeah, smoke ring effect, baby. Look at that. Look at those juices. This is the after shot that I'm looking for, guys. So this is what I'm after. Take a look at that. Bam, juicy. The deep smoke ring. You cannot beat this, guys. Let's do the bend test. Look at that. Whew, beauty right there. All we did is basically smoked it for 4 hours. Hit it with a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. We injected a little bit of beef consomme just to give you that juicy moisture that we need throughout the whole entire cook, so it does not dry it out. And now is the best part of the video, the taste test. So y'all excuse me while I take a bite. Wow, truly amazing. You could definitely taste the beef consomme. I did not hit it with a whole lot of seasoning because this is heavy in salt, but the beef consomme definitely complemented and gave it that extra salt that we needed, just so this tri-tip brisket came out the way it came out. Oh man, I gotta finish this up, guys. Simply amazing. Wow. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. You cannot beat this, guys. Wow. So guys, let me know down in the comments how you make your tri-tip brisket. How do you do it, and what type of flavors you use in order to get that particular color that you're looking for. Man, I appreciate everybody that watched this video. Until the next time, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.